Welcome back and thank you for joining me. Today's Q&A question is, should you or shouldn't you repair a blister on your flat roof? Coming up next by your experts at SMC Group Roofing Services. So here we go on this roof, and here is a perfect example of a blister all puffed up. Biggest thing is, of course, deciding whether to cut out and repair this blister or simply mark it and monitor it. And this basically should be based on facts, not on your usual make work, gotta keep the guys busy type of system. But there are some indications that can help you determine whether to repair this blister or to leave it alone. Some of these would be excessive loss of gravel or surfacing, and it's leaving the membrane exposed to the UV, like in this case. The gravel's kind of gone here, and the UV rays and the elements kind of breaking down the top surface of the asphalt. You can see some cracking happening here and there, so this is not a good sign. Also, is the blister in a high traffic area around solar panels, HVAC, mechanical units, exposed to foot traffic where a contractor is going to be stepping on it and popping it. Another thing to look at is the blister popped, not holding any air, already leaking, contains water, or it actually shows up wet on an IR moisture scan. So these are some of the indicators of when to repair a blister. Let's take the guesswork out of roofing and focus on proactive, transparent maintenance services that help extend the service life of your roof at a cost-effective way. Thank you for watching.